A few years ago, we got a big powder dump. So I got up early and cleared my driveway. I was thinking, this is gonna be an epic powder day. But when I drove to the ski area, it was so crowded that there was a 2-hour wait just to get on the lift. So I turned around and went home. But my sweet wife drove me to the top of a hill in the neighborhood and dropped me off with my son-in-law. So we discovered this skiing gem and have used it from time to time since then. We strapped on the boards and hopped over the guardrail. I live somewhere over there. We made several runs. There was plenty of untracked powder to go around. Obviously, my son-in-law really loves the taste of powder. As you can see, I didn't stop to see if my son-in-law was all right. After all, the rules of a powder day are every man for himself. But he was fine. I guess powder has a great healing effect. It turns out a guy doesn't need to spend a pile of cash and fight the crowds to find great powder. All you need is a sweet wife and a good hill in your neighborhood.